Many things can go wrong that prevent a car from starting, and a discharged battery are a common cause. At some point, every driver is going to have to deal with a battery that is too weak to start the engine. The telltale signs include just a click when you turn the key to start the engine, or extremely slow cranking speeds and the engine fails to start. Often we can tell when a battery is getting weak when the cranking speeds are slow, but the car still might start and run fine. This should serve as a warning to us that soon the car is going to leave us stranded. If the car fails to restart in the Fry's parking lot, no big deal. Somebody is bound to have jumper cables who can help us, and then we can drive to AutoZone and purchase a new battery. A discharged battery in a remote area can be much more challenging. Twice in the last 10 years, a dead battery has caused me to hike out 3 miles just to find someone willing to come and jumpstart my car. Fortunately, modern science has come to the rescue, and lithium polymer battery packs such as this can easily jumpstart most any vehicle. A good jump pack only costs about $80 and will provide years of trouble-free service if you take care of it. Maintenance only requires that you ensure that the pack is charged when you need it. But battery experts recommend not fully charging lithium polymer batteries and storing them, especially in extreme heat. So I recommend only charging this battery to about 80%. That'll provide plenty of power to start the vehicle when you need it to, without shortening its service life. These jump packs are as easy to use as jumper cables, and the jump pack cable clamps do offer some protections against improper hookup. The batteries are always clearly marked. The positive terminal has a plus on the case near the terminal, and the negative has a negative sign on the top of the case near the terminal. The positive terminal almost always also has a red cap over it protecting the terminal, unless the cap has been broken off. The jump clamps also are marked red and black and correspond with the colors on the battery. Before connecting the cable clamps, ensure that the battery's terminals are clean and tight. If you can rotate either of the terminals by hand, that tells you that they're too loose, and that might be the reason that your car won't start. If either of the terminals have a white crust around them, clean it off as best you can with perhaps a paper towel and some water. That might solve your problem. If either of the terminals are loose, use a 10mm wrench to tighten them. If tightening the positive terminal, be very careful not to let the wrench touch both the terminal and any other part of the car. Now connect your clamps, red to positive and black to negative. As you're connecting them, give a little wiggle to ensure that the key teeth bite into clean metal. Then connect your clamps to your battery pack. If properly connected, the battery pack will indicate that the clamps are in the right position. If it indicates that they are reversed, immediately disconnect them and reverse them. You're now ready to start your car. Within 40 seconds of starting your car, disconnect the battery pack to prevent damage to it. Now close your hood and ensure that you leave the engine running until you're somewhere that you can deal with the battery. The alternator may charge the battery enough that it restarts if you do stop it, but don't take that chance. Numerous jump packs are available, ranging from about $35 to over $200, but the expensive ones aren't always better, and the cheap ones may not help. This iMazing pack performed very well under rigorous testing on the Project Farm YouTube channel and was competitively priced.